We love the DJI Mini 3 Pro since its compact size and portability combined with professional-grade features make it a fantastic choice for serious videography. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, it certainly appears more affordable when compared to some of the Mavic series drones. Now, DJI has unveiled the Mini 4 Pro and it appears poised to become our next beloved drone. However, upon initial inspection, it's easy to notice that these two models look quite similar and their specifications seem alike as well. So what's new with DJI's latest addition to the Mini series? Let's dive deeper to find out the changes. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Starting with the design, at first glance, both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and Mini 3 Pro look quite identical. It's hard to distinguish between them. They share a similar size and both weigh just under 250 grams, a weight intentionally kept low to adhere to drone regulations in most countries. Nevertheless, there are a few telltale signs that reveal the DJI Mini 4 Pro's enhanced capabilities. One of the most noticeable changes is the new obstacle avoidance sensors. These sensors feature distinctive bulging fisheye lenses and are positioned at an angle rather than facing straight ahead. DJI's engineering ingenuity shines here as this setup allows the drone to achieve full 360-degree coverage with the same number of sensors as its predecessor. Additionally, there's a new feature on the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a bottom-facing light that bears a striking resemblance to the one found on the base of the Air 3. However, it's been appropriately downsized to fit the Mini's compact frame. Now, this light serves as a crucial purpose during low light conditions by enhancing the stability of low-altitude hovering. Another noteworthy update is the inclusion of landing feet on the front arms of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This alteration aligns its design more closely with its larger siblings Air 3 and Mavic 3, so it's a welcome change. For anyone who's experienced the frustration of the Mini 3 Pro tipping over while attempting takeoff from an uneven surface, this new design promises improved stability. Both drones employ the same sensor and lens combination, which essentially means they are on par when it comes to capturing image and video quality. However, there are a few key areas where the Mini 4 Pro takes the lead. Firstly, the Mini 4 Pro boasts the ability to record at higher frame rates in 4K. It can now support recording at up to 100 frames per second in contrast to the DJI Mini 3 Pro's 60 FPS capability. This enhancement is specifically valuable for capturing slow motion sequences and it aligns the Mini 4 Pro with the Air 3 in terms of slow motion recording capabilities. Additionally, there's an improvement in HDR video recording as well. With the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you can now shoot HDR footage at up to 4K 60 FPS, while the older model, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, was limited to 4K 30 FPS for HDR video. Although the Mini 3 Pro can capture 10-bit color, its flattest picture profile is D-Cine-like, which is suitable for color grading but falls short of the flexibility offered by D-Log-M, a profile found in DJI's larger drones. Fortunately, the Mini 4 Pro now features the D-Log-M profile, making it significantly easier to seamlessly integrate footage from the Mini 4 Pro with that from drones like the Mavic 3 Pro. The most significant distinction in terms of flight capabilities is that the Mini 4 Pro boasts omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, whereas the Mini 3 Pro primarily detects obstacle above, below, and in front and rear directions. This translates to the freedom to fly sideways without the constant worry of your drone colliding with a tree trunk or some other obstacles. Instead of merely enabling basic active track functionality, the Mini 4 Pro introduces a full-fledged Active Track 360, a feature previously reserved for more expensive drones in DJI's range. This means you can autonomously track a subject from virtually any angle, and the new sensors will ensure the safety of your drone throughout the process. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro introduces support for the waypoint flights, allowing your drone to autonomously replicate flight paths with precision. While it might not provide the same thrill as personally piloting the drone, this feature proves incredibly useful for tasks such as creating time lapses and handling VFX work. What sets the Mini 4 Pro apart is the integration of DJI's 04 FHD video transmission system. This advancement extends your drone's signal range, allowing you to fly significantly farther before encountering signal loss. In certain regions, you can now reach distances of up to 20 kilometers. It's essential to highlight that in Europe, there's a limit of 10 kilometers, which represents an improvement over the Mini 3 Pro's 8-kilometer range but falls short of the extended range experienced in the United States. The updated remotes for the DJI Mini 4 Pro maintain a largely similar functionality to their older counterparts. The DJI RC2, for instance, features fold-out antennas akin to the DJI RC Pro, but the buttons, display, and overall layout remain unchanged. It's essential to highlight that these controllers are not interchangeable between models. In other words, if you already have the DJI RC version designed for the Mini 3 Pro, it won't be compatible with the new Mini 4 Pro, which could be a bit disappointing for existing users. In terms of flight performance, the two drones share striking similarities. Their wind resistance and top speed are identical owing to their similar size and weight. Furthermore, stability during flight is nearly indistinguishable between the two. While the DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts a slightly larger battery capacity, it still delivers the same maximum flight times as its predecessor. The story is quite similar when it comes to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. This is an additional accessory that can be employed to extend your flight time to a maximum of 45 minutes. However, it's worth noting that using this accessory will push your drone's weight beyond the 250-gram mark, and curiously, it's not available for purchase in Europe for reasons not specified. Notably, the 45-minute flight time with this accessory is slightly shorter than the advertised duration for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which was 2 minutes longer. Nevertheless, it still offers a substantial amount of flight time. In short, you can get both at the same price of $759. However, the Mini 4 Pro clearly emerges as the superior choice, primarily due to its groundbreaking omnidirectional obstacle sensors, the inclusion of HDR video at 4K 60, and enhanced 4K slow-mo capabilities. Furthermore, the addition of the D-Log M profile is a noteworthy enhancement that will undoubtedly delight colorists and professional users. However, it's essential to acknowledge that the DJI Mini 3 Pro shares the same camera system and nearly identical flight characteristics, making it a relevant option even in 2023. If you come across a compelling deal, opting for the older model might make more sense, especially if you won't fully utilize the new features offered by the Mini 4 Pro. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.